So guys, now today Mrinank is going to make today some sandwich. Is it?
Yes.
Is it, Mrinank?
Yes.
Okay. So what are you doing right now? You are taking ghee.
Yes.
For what?
For putting this back. Okay, now let's make. So first we are going to take the special mixture, spread it around.
What is this mixture is made up of?
Capsicum, tomato, onion,
Okay. And
and garlic paneer.
okay. So full rich ingredients, huh?
Yes.
All right.
Now,
So you like all these veggies?
yes.
All right.
My favorite is broccoli.
Your favorite is broccoli. Okay, that's
Now we are going
nice.
to take the cheese
Hmm.
and put it on this,
Okay.
and then put the last bread on
Okay. Be careful.
it. Now
So this is what? Butter.
butter and ghee.
Okay, butter and ghee both together. So taking a little bit of that over it on the tawa. Okay. Now you're placing this. Be careful. You're scared, huh? You should be careful while working on gas, okay? Gas stoves. Fire, everything. So the gas is at sim. I need to one spatula. So you are putting some more butter on the sides. Okay.
Now we need this one for the special mixture.
Okay.
This is garlic bread powder.
Okay. So you are placing it in the butter and ghee mixture. Okay. Now, okay, you are mixing it. So why you are using fork? Why not spoon?
It doesn't matter.
Hmm. Looks like something interesting is going to make. Be careful. It's very hot tawa. Be careful, huh? Study. Easy, easy. Very good. I think we should let the kids learn with little bit of guidance to work on gas stoves and everything. So I'm holding tawa for him. You love cooking, Amina?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Be careful while taking it out. Be careful. Very good. Very nice. It's done.
Yes.
Okay, so quickly you have made it. That's lovely. So you enjoy eating this? Is this your favorite? Tell. Tell us, Bita.
No, this is not my favorite.
Okay. He's concentrating while cooking. That's a good thing actually. Okay, so now you have to what? Your work is done?
No.
Then what else is left?
I'm going to make garlic bread.
You have to make a garlic bread also. Okay. Make it. So for that what you're doing?
We are going to take 2 breads.
Okay. And then
We are going to take 2 cheese.
2 cheese slices.
No, we take 1.
Okay. Then
Put it on one of them.
all right. Very good.
Now we take the other bread.
Okay. This is cheese sandwich you are making. Normal plain cheese sandwich.
No, this is not sandwich.
Achha, this is not sandwich? Oh my god, sorry. I know what he's making. Okay. So what is this? Garlic spread, ghee and butter mixture, right?
Yes.
Garlic spread. That garlic powder which you placed. Okay. So he's making garlic bread sandwich, cheese sandwich. Is it?
You can say
You can say so. What is the name according to you?
garlic bread.
Garlic bread. All right. And what about cheese is there now?
Yeah.
So garlic cheese bread.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can use this. Chalo. Okay. So he placed it. You can use this.
No.
Okay. Carefully. बिकॉज अभी क्या है, गर्मी का टाइम है ना, तो तवा बहुत गर्म होता है. इट्स वेरी हॉट. यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हाइल डूइंग इट.
Side.
बट गर्मियों में अच्छा है, एक्टिविटी है ना ये मना, isn't it? To make your own breakfast, to create something which you love according to your own taste. Nobody else have to do anything, right? Although I have to
No.
monitor him.
Meantime,
That's a different thing.
what?
But what to do? I have to do it. So he bought one dish for placing his sandwich and okay, you place the sandwich to make it crisper. All right.
We are going to keep it here.
Okay. Now the professional chef is coming. I think we can use knife, scissor also. It will make your thing easier. Don't you think?
No.
Okay. He's more knowledgeable than me. Okay, he made a real garlic cheesy sticks. Wow, yaar. Such a good professional cook. Mrinank, I didn't know that you can make this thing very nicely, huh? You never let us know about this thing, huh? When did you learn this? When did you learn this? Say.
I'm not there.
Huh?
I'm not there.
Why? From where did you learn this? How come I don't know? Okay. Are you playing with the bread? Very good. Finally, he succeeded to take his sandwich on the plate. And now you're gonna use again the same technique, I guess. But this time I think he's not making sticks. He's just cutting it into, okay, square. Yes, professional sandwich maker. That's my boy. I like that. So this is a plate full of sandwich cheese, garlic sticks. Amazing. Oh, still something is left. He came again. Okay, garnishing with some chili flakes and oregano. Wow, that's called the professionalism. I think kids know better how to make the
Okay,
things
bye.
tasty. Huh? Give me one.